In WhatsApp, we used to upload status updates. Normally in the past, when we uploaded statuses, there wasn't any option to include music. But now in WhatsApp statuses, if you want to add music, you can actually do that. Anyway, in this video we're going to show you exactly how to add music to your WhatsApp status. For that, the first thing you need to do is go to the Play Store and search for the WhatsApp application. If there's any update available, you should update your WhatsApp first. After updating WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp application. After opening it, down at the bottom you'll see the Updates option. Just tap on Updates. When you click that, you'll see the option to add status. Click on Add Status. When you tap that, it will take you to your phone's gallery. From your gallery, you can select whichever photo or video you prefer. Alternatively, if you want to add text instead, just click on the text option and type whatever you like. Or if you want to include audio, you can add that too. For this demonstration, I'm going to select this particular photo. After selecting your media, if you want to add music, you'll notice the music button here. Go ahead and click this button. When you do, you'll see many currently trending music options. Before adding any music, if you want to preview it first, you'll see a play button on each cover photo. Just tap that to hear how it sounds. This way you can listen and then decide which music to add. Or if you're looking for something specific, you'll find the search option here. Just tap and search for whatever song you want. For this example, I'm selecting this particular track. When you've chosen your music, you'll see the next button. Click this, and the music will be added to your status. By default, WhatsApp adds a 15-second clip of the song, usually from the most trending part. But if you want to change which part plays, you can simply scroll through the track to select a different section. You can choose any part you like, though typically the trending section works best. Once you're happy with your selection, you'll see the Done button. Tap this, and your music will be successfully added. Finally, to post this as your status, click the Send button. When you do this, your new status with music will be shared. Now when you or your contacts view this status, the music will play automatically. And that's how you can easily add music to your WhatsApp status. I hope this video tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video tutorial.